Hey, Ståle Hansen here. In this video, we're going to talk about hybrid meetings and the EPOS Expand 80. I found out something really great with Expand 80. Listen to this.
Oak is strong and also gives shade. Cats and dogs each hate the other. The pipe began to rust while new.
So what's great with this? Well, that was actually recorded when I was in the middle of the room. So the Expand 80 uses focus beams in order to reduce noise and reverberation, as shown in this picture. So what is reverberation? Well, it is when the audio bounces off objects within your environment and reaches the microphone at different angles and at different times. The focus beam will actually focus on the actual source and remove the echo. That's what we're talking about, as shown in this picture. That is great, I hear you say. But can we compare it with anything? Yes, we can. We can compare it with the EPOS Expand personal speakerphone SP30T. It looks like this, and this one has omnidirectional microphone, which means it picks up the whole room. It has noise cancellation and reverberation cancellation, but it does not have the focus beam. Let's listen to the difference.
Oak is strong and also gives shade. Cats and dogs each hate the other. The pipe began to rust while new.
Right? You can clearly hear it picks up the whole room. So what does this mean? That is great at a distance. Well, it prepares you for those hybrid meetings. When I was asked by UC today to come with predictions about what will be the next big thing for Microsoft Teams in 2021, I answered that hybrid meetings, that all meetings will have a digital component, will dominate 2021. That means when you get back to your office and you're going to have meetings on site, you will also have people that are remote. I believe that people will be more conscious about their time. They want to join the meeting from where they are. They may not want to travel to the office just to be part of a 1-hour meeting. This means that we need to prepare our meeting spaces so that the experience for joining the meeting is great, even though you are joining via Teams. And that's where I believe the Expand 80 will have a great role, because it will sound great even though there are a lot of people in the room and the room is larger as well. Typically what we see with a meeting room, that it fits between 4 and 6 people for those like small medium-sized room, and then 6 till 11 people for those medium to large rooms, and those very large rooms where you can have up to 18 people. The Expand 80 can also have extension microphones which also have focus beams directing at the speaker who is talking, which means that you will have a great audio experience regardless of who is talking and where they are in the room. I believe one of the most important things when doing hybrid meeting is making sure that it's okay to be remote, that the sound is okay. I'm guessing that you have heard by now and been part of meetings where the audio is terrible and it's so hard to concentrate on understanding what people are saying and using your mental health in order to reduce that reverberation, reduce that noise in the meeting. This is what you're planning to succeed with by using such a device. What else is on the EPOS Expand 80? Well, it's connected wireless via Bluetooth. It's connected wired via USB-C. It does have a power cable in addition to the USB-C, so make sure you place it on the table and are able to plug in the power just below the table, for instance. At the time of the recording of this video, the EPOS Expand 80 is still in the certification process for Microsoft Teams. If you found this video interesting, make sure you check out my testing of Focus headset in this video and my Teams devices playlist in this video. Thanks for watching.